Many dog shelters are overcrowded, and if a dog goes too long without finding a home, they're killed to make room for new dogs. Every 5 minutes, one dog in an animal shelter like this is killed. So we need to get these 100 dogs adopted right now. You may not know this, but taking care of a dog's health actually costs a bunch of money. And some people, unfortunately, can't afford it, which is why I wanted to share the good news. And like all the other dogs here, all the medical bills are covered and he's free. We're covering all the adoption fees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you guys can take him home for $0. It was incredible to see so many dogs find their forever homes.